class exercise 6.1 fifth sum, first Roman finished. Now second sum, cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. So take LHS cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. So cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by cot theta written as cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. So no one denominator means divided by 1. So 1 into sin theta cross multiplication 1 into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta cos theta. Same procedure in denominator, sin theta into 1 sin theta cross multiplication 1 into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta cos theta. The fraction divide convert to multiple. The fraction are reciprocal. So cos theta minus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta into sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cancel. So this term cos theta common, take outside. So 1 minus sin theta divided by this term also cos theta common, take outside 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta cancel. So 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. NR and DR means numerator and denominator divided by sin theta. Numerator and denominator divided by sin theta. So numerator value is 1 minus sin theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta by sin theta. Now 1 by sin theta minus sin theta by sin theta divided by 1 by sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta. Sin cancel, sin cancel. So 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 by sin theta plus 1. 1 by sin theta is written as cosecant theta. So cosecant theta minus 1. Same procedure, 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is written as cosecant theta plus 1. This is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay, next is 6th Roman first sum, sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B is equal to 0. This is question, this is answer. Okay, take LHS sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B. So LCM, both are multiple, cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Cross multiplication, sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B plus cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. A minus B, A plus B. So formula A square minus B square. So sin square A minus sin square B plus A minus B, A plus B. Same formula A square minus B square. So cos square A minus cos square B. Write the same denominator. Sin square A plus cos square A. This term minus common, take outside. Sin square B plus cos square B. So sin square A plus cos square A value, identity value 1. So 1 minus sin square B minus cos square B. This value also 1. 1 minus 1 divided by, write the same denominator. 1 minus 1 0. 0 by any one denominator, value 0. 0 is the RHS. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence it is verified. Next. Now second sum, sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A is equal to 2. So this is question, this is answer. In the special trigonometric identity questions and the answers are given, you to prove it only. This is question, this is answer. Okay. Now take LHS. Sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A. So A cube plus B cube formula, A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. And the same A cube minus B cube. This term plus convert to minus, minus convert to plus. That's all, only formula difference. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. Substitute this formula. A value sin A, B value cos A. So A plus B whole cube means sin A plus cos A whole cube minus 3 sin A cos A into sin A plus cos A divided by same denominator plus A cube minus B cube formula is, so substitute sin A minus cos A whole cube plus 3 sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A divided by same denominator. Now these two terms sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A, take outside sin A plus cos A into, so cube on outside means square, so sin A plus cos A whole square minus 3 sin A cos A divided by same denominator plus sin A minus cos A, two step common, take outside, pending sin A minus cos A whole square plus 3 sin A cos A. This one A plus B the whole square. So A plus B whole square already you know. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So now substitute sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A minus, write this term, plus A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square, write this term. So this term cancel, this term also cancel. So sin square A plus cos square A 1. This positive term, this negative term cancel, negative term, positive term cancel. So sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is the